everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my must-have items for baby, all from Amazon. These are the items that we have been using since she was born up until now. For those of you that are new, my daughter Bryannaah is just under 10 months old and I would recommend these to any new mama. So I just wanted to give you a list from the beginning, from newborn stage all the way to where we are now. I'm sure some of these items I am going to be using all the way through her first year, but I want to share these products with you and I'm going to link everything down below for you. This video is also extra special because it is in collaboration with some of my sweet friends here on YouTube. We have all teamed up to show you our must-have baby items for all stages of motherhood, so make sure you check them out when you're done here. So the very first item I want to mention is a DocaTot. A DocaTot is a portable sleeper that you can carry around with you and have baby sleep in the moment. We used ours on top of a table, we used it on the couch, we used it on our own bed, just so we had an eye on baby. She was close by, but she was safe and comfortable. Now, the really cool thing about a DocaTot is that they have interchangeable covers, so you can wash one while you're putting a new one on, or just the fact that you can wash the lining completely. So every piece of it comes out, you can wash the liner, and then you can put everything right back, and it's perfect. So if baby spits up on it or if there's an accident of some sort, it is completely washable. The next item that I want to mention is a Webanub. Now this one is a little hippo because we are very partial to hippos around here, but Webanubs I seriously could not rave about more because they are comfortable and easy for baby to suck on if they are a pacifier baby, but they also have a comfort toy. So my daughter loved to suck on her Webanub and she loved to hold on to the arms of the little hippo. We have gone through 3 of these because we lost a couple of them to a cat that ate everything, but I definitely recommend them. Honestly, she loved it so much. It's a great soother. Look how cute he is. The third item that I want to mention for you are burp cloths. We tried so many different burp cloths and the only ones I really rave about are these ones. These are the muslin burp cloths that I've picked up on Amazon. They come in either a 6-pack or I think a 12-pack, but I will link them both down below for you. But I just love the material. It's super soft, very absorbent, and they are so cute. So I highly recommend you checking these out too. The next 2 items I want to mention for you are 2 hygiene items. One is this wooden brush with super soft bristles. I was so excited to find this because all the brushes I was finding were like this plastic material and they didn't seem very well made. So I actually still have my baby brush from when I was a little girl and it's something that I cherish. So I wanted to get her one that she would be able to hold on to if she wants to as well. So that's where this came in. It is so pretty, a nice light wood and very well made. The bristles are in there really well and she actually loves this thing. She loves to chew on it, unfortunately, but you know, when a baby wants something, the baby gets something. So yeah, the next item I want to mention are these safety clippers. These are from Safety First brand and the thing I love most about them is that they light up. And these are amazing because it allows you to see what you're doing and it eliminates the possibility of clipping baby's skin. Unfortunately, the very first time I clipped her little fingernails, I did get her and I nicked her, and let me tell you, I cried for hours. So that's where this came in. I needed something that was going to make it so I could easily see what I was doing and make it safer for me to do it for baby. So that's why I love these. So I will highly recommend these as well. The next thing that I want to mention are teethers. So she is a big time teether girl. She loves carrying them around with her, but there are 2 different types that I absolutely love. And that would be this pink lemonade. Look how adorable this one is. This is an itsy bitsy teether. And it's got a lot of bumps and ridges and stuff so that baby can chew on it and it's super soothing for her teeth, but she loves to carry this one around and who wouldn't? It's so cute. And the other one are these freezable or refrigerator freezers. These are also from the Itsy Bitsy brand, I believe, and they came in a set of 3. They're all shaped like different cactuses, and I love them. I keep them in the freezer, I thaw them out a little bit, and then I let her chew on them. They're perfect for summertime, as well as just when she's going through a lot of pain. So I use them for both of those. So like when she's really warm, I will give her one of these like a popsicle, like a treat, and it works out. So sorry for the banging, the baby took the brush. The next item that I want to mention we did not use until she was about 5.5 months old, and that's when she moved into her own room, but that would be the Hatch Baby sound machine. This thing is incredible. It is all powered through an app if you want to, so it can be on a schedule. It can change colors, it plays music or different sounds, so I highly recommend picking up one of these. The Hatch Baby system on all of their products is incredible. We also have the scale changing table, and I love that thing, but I definitely think mamas need a sound machine, and this is the one to go with. It's got buttons on the bottom to be able to change it manually as well as through the app. So I will show you what the app looks like here, and it's just really cool because you can set different programs and you can have multiple hatches on one app. So definitely check this out if you have not picked up a sound machine already. So the next few items I'm going to share with you are all baby eating related. She started eating right at 6 months old. We started off with rice cereal, which quickly moved over to oatmeal, but she is a snack queen, and that goes for everything from fruit in small bites and also to like the little crunchies and teething wafers and things like that. So I like how everything's still about me. We hold her snacks when we're on the go in this adorable 3-part container. The top portion is actually meant to hold formula, but we don't use formula, so I use her little puffs in here, and I love it because I can just shake them right on out. The next compartment is open, but not as large. I hold her little crunchy snacks in there, or her little yogurt melts, and then the bottom one I also just fill up with snacks. But you can see that this one is a little bit larger than the other two, but this is just the perfect container to keep things nice and organized, but it also fits really well in her diaper bag. The next thing that I want to mention are these Nuk Sippy Cups. When we started feeding her solid food, I also started giving her water, and she really loves drinking her water out of this sippy cup. This one in particular is awesome because one, it's got the handles, but it's removable, so the bottle itself is easy to clean, and the top of it is silicone similar to a bottle nipple. So it's easy for baby to learn to use this and doesn't mess with their breastfeeding or regular eating or things like that. So these are really cool and they're really affordable. They come in multiple colors as well. So the next item that I want to mention, I have mentioned multiple times in past videos, and that is the Boon silicone feeder. It comes with this adorable little cap, so it's easy to take on the go, but the essential idea is you pop off this silicone top and you fill it up with fruit in small pieces so that they can get the flavor without the possibility of choking. Other things you can use these for that I have used and love is you can freeze breast milk for a nice little popsicle treat or formula, and you can also freeze fruit for like a little popsicle treat. So when it's super hot outside and baby's not allowed to have like a popsicle or an ice cream like the rest of the family, it's nice to be able to let her have something else. So I do like to freeze some fruit and leave them in the freezer so she has a treat along with us. The last item I want to mention when it comes to eating is these white hot spoons. I picked these up on Amazon and they come in a pack of 4 or 5, I believe. And when they get into too warm of food or water, they actually turn white. The only downfall on these is that the silicone on them does stain a little bit with the different colors of the food, but they are adorable and they work really well, letting us know if the food is too hot without having to like stick our fingers in her food. So I have 4 more pieces that I want to mention. All of these I have been using from day one, so I definitely think these are all well worth it. The first one I want to mention is these safety plug covers. Now, the little cheap plastic ones that you can stick in are perfectly fine and suitable, but they are so difficult to get out. So if you need to unplug something to vacuum or plug something else in, these work out really well. They have little buttons on the side to allow them to easily take in and out of the wall, but they are not easy for baby to figure out how to remove. So these are awesome for when baby is finally on the move and you need to start baby proofing. The next thing that I want to mention is a diaper bag. Now, I have a skip hop diaper bag and it is wonderful and it's great, but it's also really large. So I was looking for something that was a little bit easier to take on the go for just quick outings and not having to worry about lugging that huge bag around. So the diaper bag I picked up is this adorable brown faux leather, and it is from Miss Fong. It is just so great. It's got beautiful inside detail, tons of pockets. As you can see, there's 2 zipper pockets in the front, both of which are actually quite spacious. There are 2 insulated pockets on the sides. There is a changing pad holder back here, along with a zippered pocket in the back for like mommy's things. There's some interior pockets in the front. There's also a mesh pocket at the bottom that you can hold like coolies in if you want to. And then the other really cool thing about this is there is a port to have a charger. So if you are using your phone and you're out and about, you can be able to charge it as you go. You just need to use a battery pack with it. So there's a cord and there's a port and it's just awesome. So I definitely recommend this bag. It's high quality. I've actually used it for about 4 or 5 months now and there is little damage to it at all. So I definitely recommend this. It is beautiful and it is super affordable. The next item that I want to mention are these clear organizing pouches. I use these in all of her diaper bags so that I'm able to see everything that's in there, but it's not just thrown into the backpack. This keeps the diapers nice and clean and easy to access. When I need to do a diaper change, I just pull out the diaper change bag. I also have multiple of them in each bag. So in this one I have some hand sanitizer, boogie wipes, and some insect repellent, things like that, that I may need to grab, but not necessarily all the time. But I still want to be able to keep the diaper bag nice and organized. So these go really well together. The last item that I want to mention is actually something that is in her nursery, and that is her play mat. The play mats that I found other places were just not as aesthetically pleasing as I wanted, and this one is just gorgeous. It's super squishy and comfortable for baby to play on, and it makes it a safe place for her to hang out when she is little and still learning her way around walking. So I'm gonna go ahead and show that to you now. This one just has such beautiful detail. It's such high quality, and it's just like the perfect color for the nursery that I was going for. There were tons of different prints and options for parents to choose from, but this was the one that was perfect for this space. Alright everyone, that is the end of today's video. I hope you found this video helpful, whether you are shopping for your own baby or if you are shopping for a gift for someone else. If you are interested in any of these products, like I said before, they are all linked down below for you. If you're new here, I would love for you to join my internet family. All you have to do is click that red subscribe button down below and turn on that bell so you don't miss any future videos. And don't forget to check me out over on Instagram. I do post mommy life all the time, so it is a great way to see how things are going behind the scenes. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye! I will let my guard down.